What is up, guys? Mr. Rasmussen here, otherwise known as the Woodbender, because I am the master of all the shop elements, and today I am continuing my pen making series by making pen number 12 out of 27. The 27 pens are all rare or exotic wood species, and so far I am really happy with how well the collection is coming along. And I am really excited to add today's pen to the collection because today's pen comes from South America, mainly Brazil and Argentina, and it's called Rapala Lacewood. Moving on, in the same fashion of this series, I will be rating and reviewing this wood based off of 3 categories and giving it an R score. The R score is just the rank I give this pen for where it lands as my favorite pen within my collection. The 3 categories are price, workability, and aesthetics. Starting out with price, Rapala Lacewood, also known as South American Lacewood, is relatively affordable. A board foot of Lacewood will run between $10 and $20. For price, I give Lacewood a 7 out of 10. And now for aesthetics. Lacewood is a moderately hard wood with a lace or leopard print pattern. The grain pattern causes the wood to look kind of like fish scales in my opinion. I think it's a pretty cool and unique look. For aesthetics, I give Lacewood a 6.5 out of 10. Wrapping things up with the R score, South American Lacewood is my 12th pen in my collection, and I will be ranking it number 11, after olive wood and before Kiet. Lacewood, although having a unique grain pattern, is ranking lower on my list, mostly because of the color, which is a brownish color, and right now I just have more interesting colors in my collection. Lacewood is still a great wood, and I'm still really happy with this pen. So with that, this episode is complete. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Here's all the pen blanks that I still need to turn, so like and follow along and let me know which one you think I should do next.